Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hub. Today's topic is logo design and it is for the Fiverr geek. So let's start and make a logo. First of all, we have to design this template you have, and then I will go to the main design, which is the logo design. So first of all, I will change this color and select. First of all, select this selection tool, and I'll change this color, which will be the here, which will be the I will make it yellow. I'll make sorry, I think I made a mistake. I have to change it as its stock color, which is here and will be the yellow color, and I'll change this color and it will be the yellow also. Sorry, I will make it pure yellow, and now I will change this color, which will be the also yellow color, and now it's fine. It's nice to see. And I will change this typography, and which will be the um, lo- logo design, SIGN logo design for for Fiverr. Fiverr. Sorry, I will change this, and it also for it logo design for Fiverr, and sorry, okay, I will change it here. Sorry, I will fix it here, which is on the middle, and how it look like. I think it should be the 60. Sorry, I have to change it and make it which color. Yes, this is sorry. Uh, this color. Oh, no. Okay, I will change there. Uh, yes, this is okay. No, this is not okay. I will change here something new. What? Okay, make it this, and sorry, and I will make it 48. And now see, uh, yes, it is on the middle. So go to the main design, and first of all I will save it down. I will save it and export it as use artboard and export it as yes, replace it with the past. And now go to the new file for the logo design. For the logo design you have to take always 10 into 10-inch artboard, so I will take 10 into 10-inch artboard. And now I will make a logo. First of all, here you can see this is a white artboard. I will change it with the yellow artboard. Sorry, yellow artboard. That's why I have to take a rectangular tool over here, and this tool you can see here. Here is a tool, and we have to make it as yellow. So make it as yellow, and you can see, and I will make it as lock. Go to the lock and selection tool. Yes, it is locked. And now I will make here something new. What will be the first of all take the pen tool, take the pen tool, you can see here, you can see here, this is very nice to see. And I will change this color with the, it should be the black, and go for the black, sorry, and make it black. And I will make a copy of it and make it horizontal. And how it look like, sorry, how it look like. And I will make a nice thing here. And what will be the, make it, yes, and you can see how it look like, how it look like. Okay, I will change something. um, it should be, if it should be here over here, then it will be the perfect. And I will make it, yeah, now arrange it with in the middle. I think, I think it is on the middle and how it look like. I think it's look perfect. So I will make here something new. What will be the, yes, I will cut it down here and how it look like, how it look like. I think it's look very nice and unique design of a logo, and you have to make it at your home. And this is the design, how to design, and I will make a name which will be the um, sorry, it's make Amra, which is a name, and I will make it as big as what you need. Make make a chance of it, make a chance, and I will, and I think it's nice to look, and I will change its color. Mm, uh, I'll make it white, and I think white will be the perfect here. If sorry, I will make it white and change. Yeah. Uh, I'll make no white won't be the perfect. If I'll make it red, then I will take, yes. I think it also the good. So I'll make it red, and how it look like. I think it's look very nice and nice design for Fiverr gig, and you can use it on Fiverr gig. So make it and make it also on your home, and let us be with us, and please subscribe our channel and subscribe the theme what we use on our artboard and many things. So please design more the logo. And thank you all. Till then, Allah Hafiz. I'll show you more things.